I have exciting news for 2024. I will be selling my wares in this quaint building nestled just opposite the Fillmore Theater. This place is called 319 Gallery and Beastro. This is a little hidden gem on 4th Street in Wausau, Wisconsin. Check out my spot. I've set up a simple, primitive style wash stand crafted by my husband and I to show off my stuff. You'll find wooden breadboards, quirky junk angels, boho bracelets, and more on display. This space will be perfect for me. My wash stand is 36 inches wide and it has 2 shelves. So as things sell, I can replace them, and I couldn't be more happy with my space. Let me show you around the 319 Gallery. Since its inception in 2013, the gallery has grown, embracing several rooms within the quaint space at 319 4th Street, along with a charming bistro that warmly accommodates up to 22 guests. The bistro unfolds a nostalgic menu of appetizers, soups, sandwiches, and handcrafted ice cream, each dish a testament to the heartwarming touch of homemade goodness. This is an atmosphere that cherishes artists and makers, and it goes beyond the conventional craft or antique mall. Here is a quick peek of the Beastro. Of course, hubby and I had to have lunch here. If you've been longing to showcase your creations in a space that is beyond ordinary in 2024, I wholeheartedly encourage you to explore distinctive selling venues like the 319 Gallery. Embrace the uniqueness of your craft in a setting that values and celebrates the artistry that makes each creation a story waiting to be told. Thank you for watching today, and until the next video, God bless. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so that you never miss a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much. And if you have found value in this video, please like and comment.